Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So how is the weekend going? Hope you're all having fun. Okay, so today we'll talk about the signs and symptoms of vitamin C deficiency. Vitamin C, also known as ascorbic acid, is an essential vitamin in the body. It is very essential for us. Now, vitamin C is actually necessary for growth, for development, for repair of all body tissues. But then, I don't think there's anybody that should be under the weather, reason being that they don't have vitamin C or they lack vitamin C in their body. You have no reason at all to fall sick because you lack vitamin C in your body. Because you can find vitamin C anywhere. You can find them in foods that you consume. I mean, it can be found in bananas, broccoli, kiwis, strawberries, oranges, papayas, red peppers, tomatoes. Like you can find them in almost any food you consume. So you have no right to fall sick because you lack vitamin C in your body. Now, what are the signs and symptoms of vitamin C deficiency? Number one is fatigue. Now, you feel very weak, you feel very tired even after having adequate sleep. Then, number two is that you find out that wound healing is difficult. You feel your wounds doesn't it take long before your wounds heal. Then number three is nose bleeding. Number four, easy bruises. Number five, joints and muscle pains. Number six, weak immune system. And this can actually make your immune system vulnerable to infections. Then you have splitting hair, you have dry and rough skin. You have no reason at all to fall sick or to lack vitamin C in your body. Trust me. In fact, anybody that lacks vitamin C, they should sue that person. Thank you guys so much. So if you've not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, turn on your notification bell so that when I upload another video, you will be the first to know. And to my old subscribers, you guys know how much I love you. Thank you guys so much and have a beautiful weekend. Bye.